Another successful solar installation by Cosmo Solaris in Virginia. Cosmo Solaris is excited to complete another ground-mounted solar system for Frank Eaton in Virginia. This solar solution is not only environmentally friendly but also an effective way to lower electricity bills and secure energy independence for years to come. If you're ready to make the switch to ground-mounted solar, Cosmo Solaris is here to provide expert, customized solar solutions tailored to your needs. Call us today to get started.